Marking a first, President Droupadi Murmu on Friday flew a sortie in the indigenously developed Light Combat Helicopter Prachand near the India-Pakistan border. The helicopter took off from the Indian Air Force Station in Jaisalmer, where the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces is scheduled to witness the AIF's mega firepower demonstration as part of Exercise Vayu Shakti 2026. This is not the first time President Murmu has flown in a frontline military platform. In 2023, she flew in a Sukhoi 30 MKI at Air Force Station Tejpur, and in 2025, she undertook a sortie in a Rafale fighter aircraft at Ambala, becoming the first Indian president to fly in multiple frontline fighter jets of the Indian Air Force. The Prachand sortie marks the third and the first time any Indian president has flown in a wholly indigenous combat platform. HAL Prachand is a multi-role light attack helicopter designed and manufactured by state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited under the Light Combat Helicopter Project. The platform draws extensively from the earlier indigenous ALH Dhruv helicopter, which helped reduce development costs. On March 29, 2010, the first LCH prototype made its maiden flight. During testing, it became the first attack helicopter to land in Siachen, repeatedly operating from high-altitude helipads between 13,600 and 15,800 feet. The Prachand has an operational ceiling of 6,000 to 6,500 meters, the highest among attack helicopters worldwide. Most other major attack helicopters, including the American Apache, Russian Mi-28 and Chinese WZ-10, face operational constraints above 4,000 meters. Prachand is designed to operate routinely at altitudes where these platforms struggle. In March 2025, the Ministry of Defence signed two contracts worth Rs 62,700 crore with HAL for 156 Prachand helicopters, including training and associated equipment. The deal covers 66 helicopters for the Indian Air Force and 90 for the Indian Army, with deliveries scheduled to begin from the third year and continue over 5 years. This is one of the largest defense contracts in HAL's history entirely for an indigenous platform. During Exercise Tarang Shakti, Prachand showcased its agility, resilience and firepower, earning praise from military experts and international observers. HAL is now marketing the helicopter globally, with Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam and Sri Lanka among the countries being approached. India has designed, tested, produced and deployed a world record-setting attack helicopter, and its president has now flown it near one of the country's most sensitive borders.